Hello. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings, my beautiful family. It's a great evening here in Uganda, Africa. We have this recipe. We are going to prepare our cowpeas. We will be mixing it in our rice, which is vegetable rice recipe. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Let's prepare our dinner vegetable rice recipe for the day. So these are the ingredients that we are going to use. You have carrot, green chili, peas, cowpeas, onion. Here is our rice. We have some few ingredients for rice. We are going to soak our rice in this turmeric, so our rice will turn into yellow color. So let's prepare our dinner vegetable rice for the day. We always bring you simple recipes on this channel. Please continue supporting your girl. You subscribe, you view our videos. We have a lot of recipes, simple recipes. So let's soak our rice. Ate ojja kulwawo okuwona ng'ejjo olina eddalu. So this is our vegetable rice is here cooking well. Our rice is there cooking. Please enjoy the recipe. Simple recipe ever on our channel. Our simple recipe vegetable rice is here cooking well. Let's cook our vegetable rice. So please, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our vegetable rice is here ready. Let's enjoy our vegetable rice. For the new viewers, please, the channel is all about cooking. We do cooking videos every day. We have a lot of recipes on this channel. So let's enjoy our dinner. If you are new to this channel, please you subscribe and hit a notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you'll be getting a message. So this is how we are going to enjoy our dinner. It's vegetable rice. Simple recipes ever on this channel. Let's go enjoy our dinner. See you in the next video. Bye bye. The channel is all about cooking. Let's enjoy the video. Give it a like. It's simple. You watch it until the end. Simple with few ingredients. Let's enjoy.